persuading Mnangagwa to resign. A great, genuine, brotherly advice to Mr. Mnangagwa. Sandapna mashoko buda panapa nyorwa mutungamiri wenyika aiwa nevakomana aiwa vana chitando vachinzi aiwa mutungamiri wenyika panapa aiwa we urge you kuti muresign aiwa at your own benefit. Sandapna mashoko abuda nyorwa panapa kuti go subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipina panapa pahendo ewakomuna change redo munanyora chiti by Jefferson Chitando. To save the leaguers, Mr. Mnangagwa must resign. The war veterans, ZANU-PF supporters, and all Zimbabweans are calling for him to resign. People have suffered under his government. Corruption is endemic. Schools have no textbooks and learning materials. Hospitals have no drugs. Uniformed forces are angry because of poor working conditions. Civil servants are at their lowest working spirit. Roads are in bad state. No trains, no aeroplanes, no soccer stadium, nothing and nothing. Surely, a good leader will resign. Only a dictator or a fool will not resign under such failure. President Mnangagwa, be a gentleman, a good leader, a liberator, a lawyer, and a constitutionalist by resigning. Put hope and smile back on Zimbabweans. First, by resigning Mwalimu Julius Nyerere after seeing that his Ujamaa is failed, he resigned. He is remembered in Africa as the greatest leader. If you resign or your government see incompetence, mismanagement, looting, failure, and dictatorship will be rubbed off by your timely response to citizens' call for resignation. Or those who are campaigning for 2030 term extension are not genuine because they are the biggest campaigners for resignation. They are night campaigners for blessed Runesu Home Showcases message fulfillment. Thomas Kwanobuda Tanko apana pachizo mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe. Mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe ndoswa muri kuona vari kusapota 2030 ndo vanhu vakanyatsa kukuvengai. That's because ndo vari kuplota your own resignation. Vanhu vakatonyarara vari tori nani ndoda kuti aiwa vanenge vachikueja mutungamiri wenyika kuti aiwa ngavaedze step down and then vanobva varemember all the corruption izvo zvakaitika during his period zvinobva zvarabva off. Vanhu vasikuona kuti uyu munhu ndiye anonyatsotedzera mutemo.